Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect RealtyMogul for investor documents and risk reporting step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the RealtyMogul website. Log into your account with your credentials. Once logged in, find the dashboard. Locate the section labeled Investor Documents. Click on Investor Documents to access the relevant. You will see a list of available documents. Identify the documents you need for your investment. For each document, click on the title to open it. Review the document's content carefully. If you need to download a document, look for the Download option. Click the Download button and save the file to your computer. Next, locate the Risk Reporting section on the dashboard. Click on Risk Reporting to view possible risk assessments. Select the specific risk report you want to review. Analyze the details provided in the report. If necessary, take notes on key findings. For further assistance, consult the FAQ section or support. Ensure all your documents are organized for future reference. Complete your review and confirm your understanding of the risks involved. After completing these steps, you are now equipped with the necessary investor documents and risk reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.